You've probably seen giant industrial fans many times before. But have you ever wondered how those huge metal blades are actually made? At first, large metal sheets are brought in and placed carefully for the process to begin. Now look closely. The workers start measuring and preparing the metal, because everything begins with proper shape and balance. Slowly, the cutting process starts, turning large flat sheets into the basic structure of what will later become a giant fan blade. Little by little, the metal begins changing shape. What looks like an ordinary sheet slowly starts becoming something much bigger and more interesting. Now the workers carefully begin bending and adjusting the metal to create the right curve. The satisfying part? Watching something so large being shaped with this much control and precision. As the process continues, every section is adjusted step by step to make the blade smoother and more balanced. Now, look closely. The workers continue refining the. Honestly, seeing this much effort go into making just one giant blade is way more interesting than most people think. Now, the finishing work begins. The workers continue shaping, adjusting, and fixing every small detail to make the blade look cleaner and stronger. Little by little, what started as flat metal is now turning into something massive and powerful. And this is the part most people never see. Because when we look at giant industrial fans, we rarely think about the amount of work behind every single blade. Now the final touches are being completed, and everything starts looking smooth, finished, and ready for use. And finally, the giant fan blade is complete. From a simple metal sheet to something this huge, the process is honestly more satisfying than expected. Be honest. Did you ever imagine this much work goes into making something we normally never pay attention to?